I'm looking for a light dressing. You know, the Caesar I've been using is like 170 calories. It's ridiculous. So I'm not going to lose anything on that. See this one, Panera Fiji apple. I don't know. Let me see. 110 calories, you see? I'm going to go with this. I never had it before. Boathouse Farms Classic, 50 calories. That'll work. Let's get some. I got cucumbers. I got butternut squash. I got all things that are low cal. I'll show you more when I get home. I need a lettuce. I need a salad that's easy. They're on sale, the chopped, 2 for $7. Should I get them again? Let me see. I think I'm going to get the avocado again because, you know why? I like the dressing. He'll eat the salad. And we have bacon bits with it. This is good. Okay, 2 of those on sale. I need spinach. Let's grab a bag of spinach. See what I'm saying? When you prepare all the foods that are low cal, it almost is fail proof. It is fail proof. It's just a little bit of work. I gotta get all the low cal things. I gotta get tomato now to go with my sandwiches. Oh, look at these. These are the kind you want. Flavor bombs. When I did the fresh sauce, that's what you need. The sweetest you can find. I'm not going to do any avocado, I don't think, this week. I kind of like avocado now. So let's see over here. All right, we need a sandwich, a beefsteak tomato. We need beefsteak tomato for sandwich. Let's try to find 2 nice ones here of this. Oh, this one looks beautiful. That one's beautiful. I got one, and I got to get a bag. Let me get another one. They all look red and beautiful, right? Okay, we want, see this one? It's a little bit redder. I'm thinking it's a little sweeter. All right, we'll take that one. We'll get a bag. All right, let's keep going. I got to get tissues. That's boring. You don't want to see that stuff. Oh, string beans, light dressing. I did it. Tomatoes. I got cheese slices. Everything but tissues, and we're out of here. They don't have small coconut milk. Oh, somebody decided not to take the chicken. That's a shame, and they throw it there. Tissues. Where are tissues? Nope, I don't think they're here. All right, guys. I'm only doing this because I know you like stores, and I know you like to watch everything we're doing, everything I'm buying. I'll probably do a small haul at home. Okay. Oh, look at these. That's something new. Coconut flavored white chocolate. Yum. See now? When I'm on a diet, I shouldn't pass these, but I got resistance. I got resistance. Goodbye, cookie. So I don't know. Peanuts, yeah. Peanuts are fattening. That's not low cal. Let's move on. Popcorn, if I get I could do popcorn, skinny pop, see? I should get it, but I'll wait till I'm in New York so I don't buy extra here now. I'll get skinny pop in New York, and then I'll be able to have popcorn with movies. I won't go crazy. I need tissues. Tissues, here we go. I'm going to get a small one because look how expensive tissues are now. This is ridiculous. Okay, $9 for 4 boxes to throw in the garbage. This is throwaway money. This is crazy. We're leaving. I think I'm only going to buy some, and I don't know. It's cheaper to buy the 4. White Cloud Ultra Lotion. So if we do Kleenex, where's Kleenex 4-pack? Yeah, see, $9. I'm not feeling that. $9 for 4. Are you kidding me? I'm getting the Kleenex single. 2, 4, 6, 8. You buy them single, they're cheaper. You see what I'm saying? You got to know what you're doing, otherwise you get rooked. I'm gonna get 3 single. 1. I'm gonna get 3 singles. 2, and that'll be like $6.90. No, 2 for 6. 6 for 3. 2 for 5. Let's see 2. He's not gonna go through 2 in 10 days. That's enough. $4.50. Okay, here's the potato chip section. If I wanted 40 less fat, 40%, but I'm not doing any of that right now. When I do extreme, I got to get rid of the first 10 pounds, okay? I didn't want to get cocky or brag, but I'm only at this 6 days and I lost 5 pounds already. That's just my body. Thank you, God. I've been blessed. Once I stop all the bad habits, it goes pretty quick. But I am walking 4 miles a day. I'm not going to lie. My feet hurt. I'm tired, but I won't give up because once I reach my goal, I'm not going to go back to bad habits. That's the other thing that is super important to be successful. I can't go back, lose 15 pounds and think that I'm going to eat whatever I want and be fine. I'm not. I got to do this. And luckily, I like vegetables. I'm not a big snacker. I don't hardly ever do that. Vinny brings the snacker out of me. I like these. See, a couple of them keep me happy if I'm fiending. I usually don't, though. I'm pretty good. I like the butter snaps. They're pretty cool. But I'm not a big snacker, so I'll be fine. All right, let's go on. Oh, wait. This is my favorite Utz. Utz, and they come out with a red hot. I don't know, barbecue? I haven't had barbecue potato chips in years. These, okay, I'm going to tell you right now, I might get these because this is what I do like to snack on. This is fat. I've done this on a keto. These are pork rinds. These are fried pork rinds. They're delicious. Me and Millie love them. Why are this bag $5? No, I don't think so. This one up here is showing $2.39, $2.29. Let's make sure. Mamba hot spicy rounds. I don't know if these are hot and spicy. Chicharron. Okay, these are good. This is my potato chip. All right, we got everything we need, guys. I'll show you a little bit better at home. But that's it for my small grocery haul while I'm doing low fat and watching calories. You got to stick to it or it don't work. 5 pounds in 6 days is a small miracle for me. All right, I'll talk to you when I get home. I got to pack those tomatoes now. Okay, guys, I'm home and I'm going to show you kind of like a little part 2. Everything I got, we were in the store together. I showed you a few things. I'm going to show you what I got and why my diet's working. I surrounded myself with everything I've been eating for the 6 days. And I lost 5 pounds already, so I'm feeling fantastic. So I went out and got everything I've been eating. These are the pre-made salads, you know. I add some protein to that, whatever it is, the tuna, the chicken, whatever I got on hand, even sardines if I need them. But I got the salads. Now, veggies. I love veggies. I have to make these anyway for Vinny. He's going to have that cordon bleu chicken tonight. And I'll have veggies, and he'll have all of it, which is pretty cool. Now, I switched out. I was eating. This is only 50 calories. I showed you in the store. I was eating the Caesar that has 170, and still I'm losing. That's because I'm eating so minuscule. You know, this isn't for everyone. I'm not a dietitian or a nutritionist. This might not work for most people, but for me, who's a small eater to begin, I'm doing great on it. I got more of my cottage cheese. This is the whole milk. This is good, this good culture. They got every right to call that good. I've been eating cottage cheese for 50 years, and let me tell you something. Love, love, love this brand. Here's my big cucumbers. Cucumbers are a natural diuretic, so if I were retaining water or holding water, which I'm not, these are great. You could lose like 3 pounds the very first beginning days of your diet because most of it, they say in the beginning, is water weight. I don't know. And I got tomatoes, beefsteak tomatoes. These are great in my salads, on sandwiches. Not eating any bread or no carbs, no bread or pasta. That's pretty much any kind of carbs, breadcrumbs, nothing carb like that. Okay, so I don't want to do that until I readjust back into them. I got the celery for the cottage cheese. Now the cheese slices are for Vinny, for grilled cheese, for sandwiches and things like that. But I've been known, you know, if I'm still a little bit hungry at night after eating my you know, real low cal, I'll grab a slice or two. It's okay. I'm not going to starve here. I'm not going to not have what I want. Here, this is when if I can't see him eating potato chips or popcorn and I can't have it, I'm happy with these. See, 0 grams carb, they worked for me. Fried pork rinds, and I happen to love them. They're right up there with my Slim Jims, my dirty little crunch snack. I love them. And I don't eat many at a time. I'll sit down and maybe have 5 nice size ones. Millie loves these. Okay, it's hysterical. I tell her, crunchy, it's a crunchy, and she just goes to town with me. Now, if you notice, I upgraded my eggs because, first of all, I like all the vitamins that they add into the egg lamb best. They work for me and vegetarian fed hens, whatever. They're better than your average egg. They're not as expensive as the pasteurized and all of that. And when I eat the better ones, I notice my cholesterol rises. So these don't do that to me. And I love them. I'm going to boil up a lot. That's why I bought 18. I'm going to boil up 6 of them right off the bat. Vinny's been joining me, eating them and really liking it. So now I have to double my amount. If I would eat 2 a day, he may be eating 2 with me. So 3 days, we'll finish 6 of them. Okay, now here's my best tip and secret. None of you are going to need it because this is only 10 calories and 0 grams of sugar added. So it's got just its own blood orange, chow, San Pellegrino. It's a good thing. Now this, I had it one night with a little bit, 1 ounce of vodka. And it made me a cocktail. And I was quite happy. A slice of orange. This, I used the regular San Pellegrino orange, not a blood orange. But it was delicious. So I don't have wine every night like I used to. I can't. That's just not going to work my diet if I do that. So what I do, back in the past, I just made a simple all 100% mocktail. No alcohol whatsoever. But in the 6 days I'm doing this and seeing, I'm playing games. I had white wine. I had red wine. I'm dabbling a little bit here and there, and it didn't damage or hurt my calorie loss. So like yesterday, I had 1 glass of red and about 2 glasses of white wine. Tonight, I won't drink any wine. But if we're watching a movie and I feel the urge to have a cocktail, I could do mock, do this, okay, with just drink that plain, okay, with a slice of orange. Or I could put a little bit of vodka in it if I like. Or what I think I'm going to do, I've got to check the calorie count, which is less calorie. I have Aperol. Aperol is like an apple liqueur with apple orange liqueur. We were drinking them in Italy. Aperol Spritz is delicious. It's the Aperol Spritz and Prosecco. So I would change Prosecco for this and just put like a half an ounce of the Aperol in, and I'd have a nice little cocktail because this is sparkling. So I'm going to enjoy that over lots of ice if I so choose tonight. But that's what I'm doing, guys. I'm doing great. I'm not going to give up. 5 pounds in 6 days is amazing. You see what I surround myself with. Do what you have to. If you could only get veggies, just, do what works for you. This works for me, and I've been walking 4 miles a day. That is the biggest change in my lifestyle. I'm not sitting at the computer all day long. I was doing that for over a year, and that's why I gained 15 pounds. I had told you guys I cried on my little car chats, and I love you all for listening. Thank you. So now is the time to cheer your girl on. Tell me not to give up, because I won't. And I'm still going to cook. You see, I'm still posting. No worries. Okay? And I'm going to share some of those shakes when I start to get to them. I'm just trying not to buy too much before we leave. We basically got about 10 to 12 days left before we are out of here. Okay. Later, guys.